Hi everyone, this is Nicole and welcome back to the Planner Pair. The Planner Pair is comprised of myself and my daughter Peyton McGuirk. If you enjoy paper, stickers, and all things planning with a little Disney thrown in, I highly suggest you subscribe to our channel for weekly inspiration. Today I have a brand new video featuring a recipe plan page. I know I mentioned way back at the end of last year when we started planning that I was going to be sharing these, and I'm finally getting around to filming some of my recipe plan pages. If you would like to see a flip through of my recipe planner, please do drop me a note and let me know. I am using a recipe planner. I think it maybe came out last year. I don't exactly know though. I just kind of did a search. Part of the reason I am doing a recipe planner or recipe book, I guess, is I have struggled for years with finding a way to keep my recipes that I actually like. I have done binders, I have done recipe cards, I have a hodgepodge mess right now still. Even though I've been working on my recipe planner of my recipes, and it's just been overwhelming and so messy. And so my recipe planner pages that I'm going to be sharing here on our channel are going to be fairly simple, but hopefully maybe you can draw some inspiration from them, or if you're struggling to find a good way to contain your family recipes, maybe something like this would work for you. I did buy 3 planners, or 3 recipe books. I've got one for me and then one for each of my oldest kids. I haven't started my youngest yet, since he still lives at home and will for several years, but I will eventually do something similar for him. My older 2 do live on their own, and so they have requested favorite family recipes, and these meatballs for spaghetti is one of them. That is why I'm sharing it here today. It's actually my mom's recipe, and it may come from one of my grandmothers. I think probably my dad's mom, but I'm not for sure about that. I need to ask my mom. But my mom made this always. We always had meatballs and spaghetti. I don't remember my mom making like hamburger spaghetti ever, and I personally have never made hamburger spaghetti either. I always make meatballs for spaghetti, and it is a little time consuming. It's not terribly time consuming, but if you haven't made meatballs before, maybe it can be. But this is a family favorite, and so I went ahead and made 3 of these pages. One for my recipe planner, one for my older son, and one for my daughter, so that I can add them to their recipe albums as well. You're going to notice with mine, they're going to be super, super simple. I love the look of the letter stickers for the title. I hand wrote some of the titles. In fact, my older son said he doesn't care. So I did save a little time and I just handwrite the titles in his, but I'm keeping it simple. There's not probably going to be a lot of photos. Maybe eventually I'll add some in. I don't know. But I do like some stickers here and there. So I'm just going to add some like baguettes and the plates of spaghetti stickers. I think these are from the food sticker book. This sticker book is old, you guys. I don't even quite know where I found this one. On the back it says it's from 2017, so this is not a new sticker book by any stretch of the imagination. I don't know if you can still find it. I will look and try and link to it if I can find it anywhere. Because I know I picked it up somewhere. I just can't remember where this one came from. I'll try to find out before I post this video or make it live. And then I have the recipe sticker book. That's where this family favorite sticker comes from. This one was from 2019, it says on the back. There's also a new food sticker book from 2019. I don't love it as much as the one from 2017. I'm not going to lie there. But it does have a lot of great stickers in it. I wish there was lots more food stickers. I personally like that. I don't want the extra step of printing out photos and taking photos if I don't have to. At one point, way back in the past, I thought I was going to do this whole food kind of recipe binder and take photos of everything, and it just never worked out. Even though I don't totally love like my handwriting, and it's been one of the problems with me finding a recipe binder solution that I like, I've made my peace with it because it's easy. This is easy, and hopefully, even if I want to pass this binder down to one of my kids, I really like that. I know some of my favorite things are some recipe cards I got from my grandmother, my mom's mom, in her handwriting. She had the most dainty, beautiful handwriting, and I absolutely love it. And it just, when I see her handwriting, it reminds me of her because she's no longer with us. And I love that. I love those things. I love the recipe cards I've gotten from my mom. So I'm probably going to be tucking those in here, either hole punching them or whatever. The recipes I do have that do have like my mom or my grandmother's handwriting, and adding them into my book. I like that you can use a hole punch and add them in. That's one of the things I like the most. And again, it's kind of why I've made my peace with handwriting. The older I get, the more I realize it doesn't matter that much. My kids they're thrilled. My 2 older kids are just absolutely thrilled. They're like texting me daily with the recipes they want me to add to their recipe binders, which really thrills me. I'm very, very excited about that. So my kind of philosophy for my recipe binder pages is simple. Maybe some stickers, letter stickers for the title. I even thought I could use a labeler to make stickers if I want to make it super quick and easy. And then I like to add a few little stickers here and there, like some bullet points. You'll notice I added some for the steps to make the meatballs. I like the family fave or family favorite type of phrases. If it is a family favorite, I like to add those. This little Made with Love is so cute. This is my binder or my recipe book that I'm showing here. So I put Mom's recipe in my kids. I put, Grandma Spore's recipe. And then I love adding word stickers here and there as well. If I have prep and cook time, I will add to that. If not, I'll add it for those that I do have. So this is kind of my binder. You can see that I have started working on it. Some of the recipes hardly have any decoration at all. But if I am going to do a page with more decoration, I will be sharing it here, hopefully to inspire you guys as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this small or short video, I guess I should say, of my Plan with recipe page. This is the first one in this series. I will be creating a little section for that on our YouTube page. If you enjoyed this video, we would so appreciate if you would like and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.